Hello students, welcome back. In today's video, let us continue to solve 6th grade math practice question paper. Here, first question, express as improper fraction. We need to express 6 3 by 4. 6 3 by 4 is in? Yes, mixed fraction. So, to convert from mixed fraction to an improper fraction, yes, we have to follow the steps. First, we need to multiply the whole number. 6 3 by 4 is the question. Here, whole number is 6. So, we need to multiply the whole number by denominator. So, the whole number is here 6 and the denominator is 4. So, 6 into 4. Yes, and then add with numerator 3 and the denominator remains the same. So here 6 4 times is 24. 24 plus 3 by 4 as it is, and then 24 plus 3 will be 27 by 4 as it is. So the answer is 27 by 4. Here next question. What is the sum of decimals 3.008 and 19.065? Here for in first number 3 is only the whole number. After 3 the decimal number starts, right? So here in the decimal places 008 and we need to add 19.065. 19 means 1 tens and 9 ones, and we have to place the decimal point 065, right? So add 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is, yes, 13. 3 here. 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7. 0 plus 0, 0. Never forget to bring down the decimal point. 9 plus 3, 12. So 2 here. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. So the answer is 22.073. Next question. The distance between Savita's house and office is 1 kilometer and 160 meter. Every day she travels both ways. How much distance will she cover in 5 days of a week? First here we need to convert kilometer into meters. So here 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters, and then 160 meters is equal to 1160 meters. So here she travels both the ways. So daily distance she covers we'll have to find out. Both the ways means 1160 plus 1160. Instead we can multiply with 2. So 0 2 times is 0. 2 6 times 12. 2 here. 1 carry. 2 1 time is 2 plus 1 3. And then 2 1 time is 2. So she covers 2320 meters per day. Yes. So here we need to find out how much distance will she cover in 5 days of a week. So we just have to multiply 2320 meters into 5 days, right? So here 0 times is 0 and 5 2 times is 10, 0, carry 1, and then 5 3 times 15 plus 1 16, 6 here 1 carry, and then 5 2 times 10, 10 plus 1 11. So she travels 11,600 meters or 11.600 kilometers for 5 days, right? Next question. Earthen pot can hold, the capacity of the earthen pot is 8 liters and 500 ml. So first here In how many jugs, each of capacity 170 ml, can the water be filled? We have jugs which can hold the capacity of 750 ml. Yes. So how many jugs are required to fill in 8 liter 500 ml of water? We need to find out. So here first let us convert liter into milliliters. So here 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters. So 8 liters equals 8000 milliliters plus 500 milliliter, which is equal to 8500 milliliter. So the capacity of earthen pot is 8500 milliliter. Now we need to find out how many jugs of water can be filled in 8000 in earthen pot. So here we need to divide 8500 by capacity of each jug is 170 ml, right? So here we'll cancel the zeros. We are left with 850 has to be divided with 17. Now here 17 5 times is exactly 85. 0 is left, so we'll carry 0 as 17 0 times is 0. So here 50 jugs, each of capacity 170 ml, the water can be filled in 8 liters 500 capacity of earthen pot.